Hey kaibigan, welcome to my channel. So ang video na ito ay pagpapakita kung saan patungo sa Pican Falls Mountain Resort. So how to get there? The entrance to Barangay Kapasan is beside Tingras District Hospital. Upon entering, go straight until you reach a blue waiting shed. So makikita natin dito yung waiting shed sa part na to. So wait natin siguro approximately mga 3 to 5 minutes. Nandun na po tayo sa waiting shed na yon. So ito po yung daan patungo sa Pican Falls Mountain Resort. So maganda siya kapag tag-ulan kasi makikita mo talaga yung ilog. So ito na yung blue waiting shed. Then turn right and go straight this point. Ayan, so take the road on the daycare center. So kanina yung nasa left side, yun yung daycare center. So center, the road is under construction. So yan, makikita natin mamaya yung road is under construction, which is uncemented pa. So ito. So meaning andito na po tayo sa entrance ng Pican Falls Mountain Resort. Pican Falls Mountain Resort is one of the popular mountains located in Purok 2, Barangay Kapasan, Tingras, Ilocos Norte. Relaxation at its finest with birds chirping, sound of water dropping, fresh and cold breeze. Trees everywhere. Plunge into the refreshing cold waters of Pican Falls Mountain Resort. Come and visit and now to fully enjoy the cascading waterfalls during rainy season.